Hello, I'm Jean Gray, publisher of American Entrepreneurship Today. Welcome to this special video tutorial from our Experience Voices podcast series. A great pitch deck doesn't just show data. It tells a compelling story. It is the single most important asset you have when raising capital. Today we're breaking down the 8 essential elements that captivate investors and turn that maybe into a yes. Let's dive in. Every successful company starts by identifying a genuine pain point. Don't just list facts, tell a story. Who is hurting and why? Is the current way of doing things broken? Make the investor feel the friction of the status quo. If they don't feel the pain, they won't value your medicine. Now present your solution. This is where you introduce your product or service as a hero of the story. Focus on the benefits, the so what. Not just the technical features. Show, don't tell. A quick demo or a high-quality product render works best here to make your vision feel real. Investors want to back big wins. This is your chance to show the scale of the opportunity. Clearly define your TAM, your SAM, and your SOM. Use credible third-party data to prove that this market is not only large but growing. Prove that this is a venture scale opportunity worth their time. How do you turn this into a profitable machine? Briefly explain your revenue model, but more importantly, show your traction. Whether it's user growth, pilot programs, or revenue milestones, show that your theory has been validated by the market. Traction is the ultimate risk reducer. Never say you have no competition. It implies you haven't done your research. Acknowledge the landscape, then clearly articulate your unfair advantage, or moat. Why are you different? And why is that difference defensible? Focus on why you win, not just where they fall short. Investors bet on jockeys, not just on horses. Highlight why your team has the unique expertise to execute this vision. Then pivot to the ask. Be transparent. How much are you raising, and what specific milestones will this capital unlock? Be confident, clear, and focused on the future. Finally, wrap up with a summary of your vision, one powerful sentence that captures the future you're building. Thank your audience and leave them with a clear next step, whether that's your website, an email link, or a direct invite to a demo. The deck is your foot in the door. Now it's time to walk through it. I hope you found our funding tutorial helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe so we may bring more content supporting your entrepreneurial journey. Check out our full Experience Voices podcast series. Look for more segments that help you start, fund, and grow your business.